We've all seen pallet planters, right? And how cool they look. We've seen all the pictures on Instagram and on Pinterest. In this video, we're gonna build our own pallet herb garden. That pallet is gonna be our winter flavour factory. So join me as I take you through the process of us building it, stocking it with our herbs, and putting it in place ready for the colder months. Now you can see the slats that are going to make up the layers of our pallet herb garden, but I think that these are just a little bit too shallow, and we want really good drainage for the herb plants that are going to go in here. So I'm going to make these a little bit deeper. The painting is now done, and I've also added an additional batten for a little bit of support. I'll just show you now. You can see just under there I've added an additional 120 centimetre batten, and that's just going to support the planting bag that I'm going to put in there now. You can see here that I've just lined each of the planting areas using a bit of leftover anti-weed membrane, and that's just going to hold the planting medium in there. I'm just filling each of the little planting bays that I've created with a good multi-purpose compost, but I've actually added some additional grit to this planting mix just to really help it drain away. That is so important, as I'm actually planting this in autumn here in the UK. Now we're going to fill this winter pallet pantry with some of my favourite varieties, the flavours that are going to keep us going throughout the colder months. And on the top level, I simply had to plant this wonderful lemon curd thyme. Now for those of you who haven't met lemon curd thyme before, lemon curd thyme is a variety of lemon thyme, but more low growing. And that's really cool because it's going to provide a little bit of foliage on the top level of the pallet pantry. Next to the lemon curd thyme, I'm going to plant another variety of lemon thyme. And this is the beautiful variegated lemon thyme. Just look at the colours in that foliage. And I simply had to plant 3 of these beautiful plants in our winter pallet pantry, because these flavours are going to really cheer us up in a few weeks' time when the weather starts getting really cold. On the middle level of the planter, I simply had to plant this beautiful curry plant. It's not culinary, but I absolutely love the silver foliage that just gets better and better as you go into the colder months of the year. On the middle level of the planter, I had to include one of my all-time favourite winter herbs, and that is the appropriately named winter savoury. The foliage has got a beautiful peppery flavour, and it's just perfect for soups and stews and generally cold weather cooking. At the bottom of our pallet pantry, I had to add one of my favourite flavours for the autumnal season, and that is sage. But this particular variety of sage, the golden sage, it just looks absolutely gorgeous as you go into the colder weather. On the bottom level of the planter, we had to include one of my favourite, rosemary, but this is not just any kind of rosemary. This is a variety called barbecue rosemary, which has got a really lovely smoky kick that, when coupled with the rosemary, works devastatingly well in the kitchen. Just the smell makes me feel hungry instantly. And there we have it, guys. Just like that, our winter pallet pantry is stocked with beautiful living flavour that's going to see us through the colder months of the year, providing us with that well-being boost that we're so passionate about. Delicious flavours, aromas. We can't wait to get cooking with these ingredients through the colder months. Really hope that you've enjoyed watching the build of this winter pallet pantry. Let us know what you think of the video, guys. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.